my people, make we dey careful in some certain things wey we dey do. Anything wey we dey produce in this country, make we make sure say we produce and make it dey very okay, make it dey good, make it dey strong. People's life is very important too. No be by say I want to get money, because of that some of us go dey do some inferior things wey no strong, wey no good. If you drink medicine no go dey work. If you drink paracetamol, you go be like say na chalk na you drink. Wetin dey happen? Okay guys, please watch the video yourself.
This country, and the federal government has a reason for banning it, to safeguard the health of Nigerians. Then some unscrupulous Nigerians are bent on importing this second-hand goods.
That's anti-clocks council.
Anti-clocks, augmentin, and you all know that augmentin is very, very expensive in the market. Procedure we have made